In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Master PDF Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a Master PDF Editor and then open up your file that you would like to edit text in. So I've just got this demonstration PDF here, for example. Now what we want to do is highlight the text that you'd like to edit. So say from here below, dear trader, thanks for choosing us, yada yada yada. I want to go ahead and click on this button here. It says edit text objects. So we can move this around so we can edit it like this, or if we can if we double click onto it, we can delete a paragraph, a sentence, like so. We can add to it, so you can add text and all that good stuff. Also, we can change the color. So if we can highlight it to the right, we've got all these options here. So we can change the font. We can change this from Arial to, say, Calibri Bold. We can make Kickstart. Say you want to change that to red. Or we change the whole sentence. We can change the fill color to red. That's funny, it's not going to allow me to highlight that. Oh, it is. So I can change this to green if I want. So yeah, there's quite highly customizable this text inside of Master PDF Editor.